We're sitting in Colorado, about an hour down from Breckenridge, where we've been for the last week or so because our car broke down. We thought that we'd done some terrible things. We, as in
Warning.
we, as in Sophia and I. And we thought we might have done everything under the sun, like seized the engine because there wasn't a lot of oil in it, even though we'd been checking the oil. So we pretty much thought we were in for a new engine. We took it to a great mechanic, and I'm going to say their name, Goodway Auto, because they really looked after us, and they're in Silverthorne in Colorado. Turned out we just needed a starter motor and a new AC compressor, and we were back on the road.
Yours.
You got yours on?
Yeah. Safety first.
Going around that, I think, to these bushes here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so scared. We were not prepared.
I know everyone thinks that their camping setup is the best, but I think we win. We may not have the coolest car. Well, we actually don't have the best off-road car, we realized yesterday, because we couldn't get it up a pretty steep hill. There wouldn't have been many cars that could have got up that hill, but we definitely couldn't get ours up there, and I was pretty disappointed. But I think that we have possibly the best camping setup going around. This little kitchen that we built ourselves. I'm going to do a really bad job of this, but this little kitchen that we built ourselves is unreal. Like, we cook each night with the Instant Pot. We can make coffee. We have a stove. We have a fridge. We have like lots of storage. The water's really easy to access. Everything kind of pulls out really easily. Like, we can set it up in a matter of like a minute or less. And we went with the James Barraud 10 in the end. Ended up like we got a second-hand one off a lovely gentleman in New Jersey, but it's made things so much easier for us. We really can't complain. And we looked at so many reviews about awnings and what's the best awning and which way to go with everything. And we ended up getting the Smitty built. So I'm not sure exactly what you're seeing right now, but I'm hoping that you can see a car with Sophia drinking some coffee and my ugly head in the front of it. But there we go. This is the Smitty built awning, and it takes literally about a minute to put up as well. I'm really not too worried about the audio out here because it's so quiet. Pretty sure you guys could hear my foot crinkle if I move it. Today we're going to drive about 5 hours in the direction that we kind of want to be going, which is maybe the Four Corners or Grand Canyon or something like that. We don't really know where we're going to stop, but there's like maybe a Costa Verde National Park that sounded interesting. We've been using Hip Camp every day, which has turned out really well. We really enjoyed it. So far we haven't had a bad Hip Camp, and we really appreciate everyone like putting us up. But we're going to try our first night in a national park, which for other people I'm sure is not that new, but for us it's very new. That'll be interesting. So we will see you 5 hours down the road. Bed. Sexy look. Sit up. Getting meaty. Going to have a crack at using this axe we bought on Amazon to chop off some of this log for our fire tonight. Don't know if this is going to work very well. Epic fail.
This is the fire that Ben made. He went scavenging the whole campsite to find the proper wood after a day of rain. And he did it. I'm proud of you.